Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius air sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Aquarius. Your first card, Four of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the Moon. So Aquarius, definitely there are some misunderstandings, some illusions between you and your person right now. I think one person acting like they don't want to offer the cup of love which is offered by another person. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. But because I think it's you, Aquarius, you are behaving like this due to there is no collaboration, there is no equal give and take, there is no partnership between both of you. Yeah. Three of Pentacles means partnership. I think you both could be colleagues also. I think that's why you are acting like this, even though you have feelings for your person, because there is no equal give and take in this connection. And the Moon, definitely your person may be hiding something from you, or you may be hiding something from your person. Definitely there are some issues are going between you and your person right now. So, or in recent past. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Pisces. For some, you are feeling very sad for the missed opportunity. For some, your person feeling sad. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. So let's see some more. Ace of Cups, Seven of Swords, Five of Cups. Yeah, I think your person is sneaky. That's why you're not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person. Yeah, you are doing self-love, definitely. Ace of Cups, it is indicating here that is self-love. Why? Because your person sneaky. Seven of Swords energy, they are in and out your life, they are not committed, non-committal. Definitely you are fed up with this energy. Yeah, they are in and out of your life, they are come when they want and they will go when they want. You don't like this type of behavior. You always there for your person in this connection, Aquarius, but your person not putting any effort in this connection. Yeah, but your person now feeling sad after the separation, they realizing your worth. Yeah, it for some it could be you also feeling sad for the separation, but you are doing self-love. Definitely you are focusing on yourself more now. Let's see, your person may be lied to you. Okay, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, you are holding back your feelings. The World and Queen of Cups. Yeah, definitely you are holding back your feelings now, even though you have feelings for your person. Definitely you have feelings for your person. For some your person also have strong emotions for you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And the World, definitely some cycles repeating between you and your person again and again, Aquarius. For some it could be long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, you know about your person recently that your person is sneaky. That's why you are holding back your feelings, even though you have feelings for your person. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see some more. Two of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Yeah, you are very defensive right now, and you are thinking about your person a lot, or your person right now thinking about you a lot. Definitely this could be long distance relationship and waiting game. Queen of Pentacles, and you are very giving and sharing, caring person in this connection. And Seven of Wands. For some your person won't give up on you. For some you are very defensive towards your person right now. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So definitely you also thinking about your person a lot, but you are not going to take any more right now because you are holding back your feelings. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Lot of fire energies here. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Earth energy. So let's see your person current feelings first. Then we will see the near future actions towards you later. First we will see your person current feelings. See, Devil. Definitely your person creates some deception in this connection. Four of Wands and King of Wands. Definitely Devil, you or your person could be Capricorn also. Four of Wands with King of Wands. They are passionate about you. They are attracted to you. Four of Wands. They want this celebration with you. I think they want this happiness with you, but they don't want to commit to you. I think this type of energy I am getting from your person, because Seven of Swords is sneaky energy, and the Devil, their obsession with you, Aquarius. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, your person also somewhere acting like stubborn. Yeah, they also stubborn. Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Hanged Man. King of Swords. Hierophant. Yeah, this time they want to commit to you. They are coming back with the offer. Right now they are stuck. King of Swords with the Hierophant. Yeah, they want to express their feelings to you this time. But be careful if your person sneaky. You already know that your person is sneaky, playing games with you. Be careful. Or if it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, please be careful. Because King of Swords, definitely your person now, for some your person really changing. King of Swords is honest communication. They want to express their true feelings to you, and they want to commit to you this time. Hierophant commitment, marriage. So they are coming back with solid offer if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. The Hanged Man, definitely they are stuck on you. They're thinking about this connection a lot. But you are holding back. For some, there are trust issues. You don't want to trust this person again. For some only, because Seven of Swords is sneaky energy. For some, definitely you will give another chance to your person. Depending upon your situation, you have to take your decision. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Queen of Pentacles, the Star, mutual energies. Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely for some there will be reconciliation. For some this relationship is going to be next level, because Ten of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles and the Star and Queen of Pentacles. For some, definitely your person is really changing. If your person in past, they may be sneaky, but now they want to really change for you. Six of Pentacles, they want to offer equal give and take to this connection, and stability. Ten of Pentacles, still they are hoping for this connection. For somehow you also hoping for this connection, Aquarius. Even though you are holding back your feelings, definitely you are also somewhere want this connection. Yeah, because you love your person, you have strong emotions for your person, but you stand by your power. This time you are holding back, because you have to know that your person really want you back or not. For some, okay, lot of earth energies here. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aquarius, let's see your overall energy for the week. Page of Swords, Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted. And Two of Pentacles, definitely you have to take some decision. You are juggling, yes, because you are holding back your feelings. Knight of Wands, yeah, they are coming back. They are very passionate about you. Your person is very passionate about you. And Page of Swords, they may be spying on you on social media, some communication. Yes, you will get some honest communication from your person, and first they want to test the waters with you. How you respond to them. Then they will speak to you honestly. I think for some, this time your person may be sincere. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Queen of Swords, Ace of Wands in reverse, and Seven of Pentacles and Temperance. Definitely they are waiting for the right time. There is no balance in this connection in past. You or your person could be Sagittarius also, but this time they want to be patient and they are waiting for the right time. Seven of Pentacles, yes, they want to invest in this connection. Already they also invested somewhere, okay, but now they really want to invest on this connection to work on this relationship. Ace of Wands in reverse. Generally I don't read reverse cards, but here, yeah, they are very, very passionate about you, but in taking action wise they will take some time because the Hanged Woman is there and Queen of Swords. I think you will get honest communication from your person, and this time they will express the true feelings to you, Aquarius. Queen of Swords. For some, your person thinks that you may cut off them completely from their life, from your life. They'll thinking like that, okay. So yeah, definitely for some there is reconciliation because in mutual energy connection cards very, very strong. Major arcanas, definitely most of your will be reconciled again. For some there will be not, because depending upon your situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.